Hi! Welcome to my Recipe Friday, where I'm going to share with you today an easy, healthy, and quick meal. It is actually a meal that I'm sharing. And I have to tell you something, what's really interesting. I put surveys out, right? Some of you guys, I'm sure, saw my surveys. Some of you filled in my surveys. You women over 40 that took the time to fill those surveys out for me, I want to thank you very much. I really appreciate you doing that, because those surveys help me help you lose that weight, right? Because that's what I do. I help women 40 and over to lose weight and get healthy and fit. And what we eat is a big factor in that happening. Hi, Francis, I see you. Hi, Shirts, I see you. Hey, how you doing? Where are you from? Where are you guys from? Write in there real quick where you're from. Shirls? Francis? Type in there. Where are you guys from? I'm just curious because I always want to know who's watching me from where, because I know I have a few people around the world watching. I know I have Kaz in the UK and London. I know I have some people in India. I know I have some people in Pakistan, and then all over the United States, because I'm in Florida. Guys, I'm in Florida. The United States. It was a hot day today. All right, so listen, again, I had these surveys. I had asked a lot of women to fill these surveys out for me because I'm an online weight loss coach. Okay, and I work with women 40 and over so that they can lose that weight. Sometimes they get older, they think they can't do it anymore. And my job, what I've taken on upon myself, is to help them to lose that weight, to help them believe they can lose that weight, and then actually do it. All right, so you're in Southern Africa. Cool. Lynn Lingenfelter's watching. See, now I got someone from Africa watching too. Listen, this is easy. So in this survey, more than half of the people that responded, I think I had like 25, 26 people that filled the survey out for me. I was really excited about that. And hi, Lynn. And more than half said that one of the common problems that they have is the sweet temptations. They don't know how to overcome that urge, that temptation to have something sweet. So I decided today's Facebook Live with my Recipe Friday was going to be a sweet treat that takes no time to make. So it can't be because, I don't have the time to make it. And honestly, I had everything. I had everything for this meal already in my house. You may also have it in your house. So look, this is it. This is what we're making. Look at that. That is a protein brownie that you make in this, just mixing the stuff up. And it tastes fantastic. Look at it. Look at that, guys. It's like a brownie too. Look at that. I would eat it, except then my teeth would be black. But I already ate it. I made one before this. Then I made this one for now, and I'm going to make another one. My son had some. This is going to be a regular for us because we, in this household, me and my kids, we enjoy our sweet treats too. Except the problem with the sweet treats, if we were going to go have a Starbucks muffin or a big cookie, chocolate chip cookie, is the calories. A lot of calories in a Starbucks muffin. Somewhere from 650, 850 calories. This baby right here has 100 calories. You see the difference? 100 calories satisfies you. So let's get on with it, guys. Let me show you what I did. I got another big cruet here that I'm going to actually mix everything in. All I'm putting in first, I'm going to put in the dry ingredients. I'm putting in protein powder. Okay, I'm putting 1 scoop. This is whey protein. This is ID Life, which is the protein I use and sell. All right, love it, love it, love it. It's whey protein. Can't go wrong with whey protein. Then I am putting baking powder in. I am going to put in half a teaspoon. Half a teaspoon right in there. All right, then I am putting in stevia, I like my stevia. I am putting in 2 tablespoons of stevia right in there. Okay. And then I'm putting in really important cocoa powder. Although my protein powder was cocoa, so that was helpful. I lost my egg. All right, so I am putting in a tablespoon and a half of cocoa powder. It says up to 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I'll be right back. Oh, hi, I'm back. Who did I lose? All right, so my egg went into the sink and cracked, and I need an egg for this, so that wasn't going to work. All right, so I have my protein powder, right? 1 scoop of whey protein powder. So we have our protein. Hi, Lori. Nice to see you here. I put cocoa in. I put a teaspoon and a half. You can put a tablespoon and a half. A tablespoon up to 2 tablespoons. I don't really like a ton of cocoa because sometimes it gets bitter if you use too much. I use stevia. I put 2 tablespoons of stevia in. I put baking powder in, of which I used a half a teaspoon. All right, so then it looks like this, guys. This is my powder, right? So I'm going to mix this powder up real quick. Right in this little bowl. I'm doing everything in the big bowl. You could do it in a big mug. If you have a big mug at home, you could do it in one of these. You could do it in a regular bowl. I am putting my egg in, 1 whole egg, okay? And then I'm going to put some milk in. I do use milk. We don't have any problems with milk in the house, so I use milk. You can use Coke and whatever you want to use, almond milk. If you don't use dairy, you don't have to use regular milk. Whatever substitute you like to use that. And then I'm literally, look, just mixing it up. This is so easy, guys. Because once I get this mixed up, and you want to make sure the egg's really mixed up. You don't want to be letting the egg cook in there. So let's think about it. We have a whole scoop of whey protein in there. We have an egg. So we have a lot of protein in here. Okay, I also needed to put in one more thing. I need to put in coconut flour. I need to put in 1 tablespoon of coconut flour. 1 tablespoon. Tablespoon. And now I'm mixing it all up. Now there's a few things you can do when you have a sweet temptation. And the best thing to do, because I like to make these tips usable and practical, all right, so that I can hear back from you guys like I did earlier with my tip from the other day when I was wearing the cool hat and the sunglasses. All right, I had someone message me and say they started to track their food. I'm telling you, as soon as people start tracking their food, they start recognizing why they were gaining weight or why they're not gaining weight. So today's tip with this handling the sweet tooth, if you have a sweet tooth, then you need to be prepared for those times when you want sugar, all right? So this would be a good recipe to have on hand. Literally, you just saw me make this. I mixed it in this bowl. You can also take some dark chocolate chunks, yes or no, doesn't matter. I'm telling you what, I literally put 6 in there. It's still 100 calories for this, all right? Then all I do, listen, this is the key. I take this. I'm going to put it in the microwave. And I'm going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. And this is what I get. Look at this. It looks like a brownie. It tastes like a brownie. And how much time did it take me to make? You guys sit here and watched me. No time at all. It took like 2 minutes to put the stuff together. It took 1 minute to mix it up. And now I'm nuking it in the microwave for 1 minute. And then it's going to be done. I'm going to actually take it out when you guys, so you can see it. If you're not a chocoholic person, usually people like sweets, it's usually chocolate. But say you not care for chocolate, but you still get sweets. Maybe like Skittles or those chewy things. Yeah, it works really. I track what I eat. You have to, Shirls, you have to track what you eat because it's all about the calories. Okay, it's calories, calories, calories. Wednesday, I'm going to be doing another live with just my regular face. All right, I won't be using that other one I did the other day. But look at this, guys. I just made this right out of the microwave. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at that. Oh my God, looks like cake batter. It's a brownie. It's a protein brownie. Okay, so say you don't want chocolate. Another thing you can do is use fruit. Use dried fruit or use regular fruit. Make your own trail mix by putting some dried fruit in with some nuts or walnuts or almonds or cashews or whatever kind of nuts you like, because at least you're getting the protein from that, you're getting fat from that, and then you're having the fruit, which is a carb. All right, so it's always in preparation. You don't want to come to a time when you're like flipping out and you're like, God, I'm starving. I want this chocolate. I want chocolate. I want chocolate. If you want chocolate, you need to try this brownie, this chocolate brownie. It's a little hot, all right? Because it literally took me 1 minute and it tastes fantastic. And you know, you have to put the thing in. 100 calories, guys, just 100. Now, Wednesday, I'm going to be doing another live, and I'm going to be doing at 5:30 again, like I did this previous Wednesday. I'm going to do it regularly. And this Wednesday, we're going to talk about this low-carb stuff that's going around. Because I also had someone approach me on that recently. I don't understand why I'm not losing weight. I cut all my carbs out, blah, 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 blah. We're going to talk about that. All right, Wednesday, I'm going to talk about keto. I'm going to talk about low carbon and what I think about it and what you should be doing, okay, with that or not with that. So be sure to tune in Wednesday nights, Wednesday 5:30 Eastern Standard Time, which is a half an hour difference from now, but it's going to be Wednesday evening, and I'm going to share some tips on how you want to approach that, where you want to go with that, and how this is all going to build up for you to have success with losing that weight, because it's doable. Ladies and gentlemen, it's absolutely doable. I don't care how old you are. I don't care how much weight you have to lose. You absolutely can lose it. All right, so please, if you liked what you saw today, please share, please like, please comment. You can write down where you are from. Melissa, nice to see you. Write down where you're from. I'd like to know who's watching me and from where. I had someone from South Africa on today. That was really cool. And remember, I do online training. I'm going to be having a live tomorrow afternoon with a testimonial from one of my current online clients who has done phenomenal. So if you want to hear and learn more about that, please tune in tomorrow afternoon. I'll be doing that. Yes, Suzanne. Yes, Sue, look at that. It's unbelievable. So I'm going to get out. I'm going to end this live, and I'm eating this. 100 calories. Just 100 calories. It is protein. All right. Anyway, guys, please share. Please like. Please comment. Look forward to seeing you Wednesday at 5:30. Have a great day.